Hello friends, this is a preparation for pickle, sweet raw mango pickle. For that I have taken 2 kgs of raw mango pieces. I mixed 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder and 4 tablespoons of salt with this and keeping it aside for 1 hour. I will come back with all the other ingredients. You have to keep the cut mango pieces only in a steel vessel, stainless steel vessel. I have already added turmeric powder and salt, but I am going to show you all the measures, right? I have taken 2 kgs of raw mango pieces, 4 tablespoons of salt, 1 tablespoon of turmeric, 1 kilogram of 1 kilo jaggery gur. I have taken 2 mixed varieties so that it won't be too sweet. You can take one single type also, and 3 tablespoons of red chili powder, 3 tablespoons of oil, 1 tablespoon of mustard seed, rye, 1 tablespoon of fenugreek, methi bij, menthium, 10 to 12 dried whole red chilies, that is akki lal mirchi, 1 tablespoon of hing powder as a फोर्टीका. इतना सब सामान लगेगा. So we have to wait for an hour. मैं एक्स्ट्रा क्या लिया, ये दोनों कंपल्सरी इंग्रेडिएंट नहीं है. You can take it as an optional ingredients. This is fennel seeds, that is badi soap या sombu, peranjeeram, and this is coriander seeds, dhania, akki dhania. Okay, these two things you can leave or you can add. It is 1 hour. We have applied salt and turmeric in the mango pieces. So take a colander and put the pieces, transfer the pieces from the vessel to the colander. You can see the mango and salt and turmeric juice at the bottom. I have not added any water, but it is giving out. This is the juice which you have to remove and take the pieces only. Now take a kadai, put the stove on and put all the mango pieces in the kadai. Keep it on a slow flame. Mix the jaggery. Mix it well. See, I have kept the flame in slow mode only, very slow mode, minimum. See, this is in minimum. It has started melting. The jaggery pieces started melting already. See, the jaggery pieces started melting. I have not added even a drop of water. Jaggery itself is melting because of the moisture in the mango pieces. I have removed all the juice from the mango pieces with salt and turmeric, but there is moisture. It is wet only, mango pieces. So the jaggery started melting and it is giving a nice glaze covering upon the mango. It will preserve. It is a good preservative. Jaggery is a good preservative. So it has started melting. So after the process is over, it will start thickening. Jaggery will start thickening. At that time you have to put the gas off. By the time it's cooking, in the meanwhile I have going to give one seasoning, that is fodni, talip. Take the oil in a seasoning pan. Take the mustard seeds. Then goes the methi seeds. Started crackling. Add whole red chilies and put the stove off. It will get a oil coating. Then hing, 1 tablespoon of hing. It's enough. Remove it from the flame. I have kept it on low flame, so the jaggery is still melting. In this recipe, there is no need for oil. The jaggery syrup, it has become syrup now. It will start thickening. The jaggery syrup itself will take care of the preservative action, preservative role, you can say. Oil is needed only for this seasoning. You can have this as a side dish with falka, fulka, chapati, puri, sort of dishes. This is a pure traditional Gujarati dish, as it is. It is a must try dish, and the only variation I am going to add is badi soap 1 tablespoon and coriander seeds, dhania, akki dhania 1 tablespoon. If you want to avoid that, you can avoid. So now add 3 tablespoon of red chili powder, the seasoning pan is still hot, so it will get roasted, no problem. It has started boiling. The syrup is thickening. Here and there are some lumps, jaggery lumps, pieces. So in 1 or 2 minutes you can put the gas off. It is almost 10 minutes on slow flame. 10 to 12 minutes. So at least for 15 minutes you have to wait for slow cooking. It has started bubbling already. It will, this juice, first it was jaggery pieces, then it has melted into juice, then the process is going on, it will become syrup, thick syrup. So all the pieces are melted. It is just bubbling. Keep it on sim for 2 minutes. This is still hot. After it comes to the room temperature, it will be thicker. So now I am going to add this seasoning. Mix it well. This is a very nice combination with chapatis, fulka, tepla, sort of things. Akki pakki Gujarati traditional dish. You can blindly follow the recipe. It will come out very nicely. And in till this much, it is very traditional. And this is my twist. This is Akka Dhania. And this is fennel seeds. Badi soap ya sombu. This is the way we like this dish. So I am adding. If you want to avoid, you can avoid. So let it cool to the room temperature. It is still very hot. It won't be so thick. The jaggery syrup will remain on the top of mango like oil coating. Like we used to keep the pickle with some oil on the top, no? It will be like that. Instead of oil, it will be jaggery juice. So finally it is cooled down and ready to eat. You have to keep it only in a dry glass jar. Prepare it and enjoy with roti, fulka sort of dishes. Happy eating!